Good morning, boys and girls, and it's time for us to do math lesson 5. So let's get started by doing some skip counting together. And we're going to start by counting by twos. So let's start and count together. Ready? And we're counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 10, were you watching? 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 6, 4, 2. Good job. So keep your eye on my fist so you know if we are going up or down or stopping. Ready to count by threes? All right, here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Backwards down. 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Awesome job. All right, so we counted by twos and we counted by threes. Okay, now we're going to take a look and move my screen so you can maybe see this just a little bit better. Okay, we're going to take a look at some division. So we started some division on Friday, and we found out that we do division all the time. When we are making groups of things to share with people, we are dividing those things into groups. That's all division is. So if I have this group and this group, so I have this group of triangles, and I have this group of triangles. Over here, I have another group of triangles. Okay, and just like when we're doing multiplication, we have to have equal groups to use division. So let's look and see if we have equal groups here. In this group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. In this group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. So I have equal groups. So I can use division. So how many groups do I have? 1, 2. How many do we have in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 2 groups of 5. So if I wanted a total, I could use addition, right? I could say 5 plus 5. So how many do I have altogether? How many triangles do I have here and here? 5 plus 5 is 10. Very good. Could I use multiplication? I could, because I have equal groups. I have 2 groups of 5. So I could say 2 times 5 equals 10. So can I write a division sentence that shows how I took these 10 triangles and divided them into 2 groups? Yes, I can, you're right. I take my 10, because I started with 10 triangles. How many groups did I divide them into? I have one group, two groups. I divided them into two groups. And then how many did I have in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see that our multiplication sentence and our division sentence use the exact same numbers. In division, we always start with our total, or the biggest number. So we started with 10. We used our number of groups, which was a factor in our multiplication sentence, and our quotient, or our answer to a division problem, is our other factor, which is how many were in each group. So I think I told you before that addition and subtraction are related, and they do the opposite things, and multiplication and division are related, and they do the opposite things. All right, makes sense? Good job. All right, let's erase this, maybe. Okay, and then I want you to look at your problem set. No, never mind, not yet. I'm not going to look at the problem set yet. All right, so let's say that next weekend, Cynthia is having a party. That sounds fun. And 18 people are coming. Wow, she has a lot of friends. I told her that I would help her to set up tables. We know that 6 people can sit at each table, but we're not sure how many tables we'll need. What do you think? What information do we know? So let's look back again. My friend Cynthia is having a party. 18 people are coming. Okay, so we know how many people are coming, so we know how many people we need to have room for. And we know that 6 people can sit at each table. So let's see if we can figure out how many tables we know. I mean, how many tables we need. All right, so I'm going to just draw a table. Here's my table, and I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 people on this side, and 1, 2, 3 people on this side. So can 6 people sit at this table? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then I have another table because I have more than 6 people, right? And I'm going to say I can have 1, 2, 3 people on this side and 3 people on this side because they told us that 6 people can sit at each table. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that enough? Do I have enough seats? No, because I have 18 people, so I'm going to need at least 1 more table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many people did I have? 18. So do I have enough chairs? I do. So how many tables did I need? 1, 2, 3 tables. So I need to help her set up 3 tables. Could I use a multiplication sentence? I mean a division sentence, because I'm dividing 18 people between 3 tables. So I can start with my 18. Okay, I don't know how many tables I need, but I do know that 6 people can sit at each table. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, because here I have 6, 6, 6, and I needed 1, 2, 3 tables. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, what if I had 14 people coming to my party, and my tables can each seat 7 people? Let's use some round tables for this one. So I have 14 people. I have a round table. I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people at this table. Okay, then I'm going to need another table because I have 14 people, so 7 is not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 2 tables of 7. Let's see how many I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many did I need altogether? 14. So 14, I divided them into groups of 7. And then how many tables did I need? I needed 2 tables of 7, or 2 groups of 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. Can you guys see this? Do you have too much glare? Let's close this a little bit and see if that helps. Let's see if that's better. All right, so 14 is 7. Let's check this with a number bond. Remember a number bond? When we have our top circle and then we have our legs. Okay, so we know that we have 14 altogether. We know that we have groups of 7. How many groups of 7 do we need to make 14? So 7 plus 7 is 14. So I can use a number bond. Okay, let's go back to Cynthia's party. Cynthia plans to buy 15 burgers. Okay, 3 burgers come in each pack. How many packs should she buy? So we have 15 burgers. That's how many she wants. And 3 come in a pack. So let's draw a picture. Here's one package of burgers. It has 1, 2, 3 burgers in it. That's not enough, right? Because I need 15. 1, 2, 3 burgers. How many do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not enough. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm getting closer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost. I need 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is 15 what I'm looking for? It is. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages of burgers. Could I use a division sentence? Say I need 15. I know that they come in packages of 3. So I'm going to need 5 packages for Cynthia's party. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay, we can count by 3s. We don't want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 each time. We can count by 3s, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Oh, now you see why we practice counting by threes at the beginning of the lesson. So we could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then we would know that we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages of burgers. Okay, let's think about it for a minute. How did I know to stop when I got to the 5th package? How come I didn't draw another package with 3 burgers and just keep going forever? How do I know when to stop? Right, because I was looking for 15. If I had kept going, then I would have 15, 16, 17, 18 burgers. Is that how many I needed? No, I needed 15 burgers. Make sense? All right, now let's do one more. What if I needed 21 hot dogs? Okay, so she's going to have 15 burgers, but she wants to have 21 hot dogs. I need 21 hot dogs. Okay, and let's say our hot dogs come in packages of 3. So here's my package. Here's 1, 2, 3 hot dogs. Here's 3 more hot dogs. Here's 3 more hot dogs. How am I going to know when to stop? Oh, right, I need to be counting as I go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do I have enough? No, I need to keep going. 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21. 21 is what I'm looking for, so I'm going to stop. I could have counted by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So my division sentence, I start with my big number and my total. 21 divided by, they came in packages of 3. And I want to know how many packages do I need to buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, let's say that I have 14 students. And I have my desks arranged in pairs. So how many are in a pair? Right, 2. So I have my desks arranged in pairs. This would be not at a COVID time because we can't have our desks right next to each other right now. But I have my desks arranged in pairs. So I have 14 students, and here is a pair of desks. Here's a pair of desks. Here is a pair of desks. How do I know when to stop? Oh, I have to count, right. So here are 1, 2 students, 3, 4 students, 5, 6 students, 7, 8 students, 9, 10 students, 11, 12 students, 13, 14 students. Should I keep going? No, because 14 is how many I want. So here is 1 pair of desks, 2 pairs of desks, 3 pairs of desks, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of desks. So again, it's division. I'm going to start with my largest number, 14. I'm going to divide by 2 because I have 2 desks in each group. So how many groups of desks do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. All right, now let's take a look at your problem set. So we'll look at number 1 for lesson 5, and it looks like this. The picture of apples. So number 1 is asking us, it's tomatoes, not apples. Divide 6 tomatoes into groups of 3. So they have done this for us by circling the tomatoes to make groups of 3. So here is one group of 3 and a second group of 3. There are blank groups of tomatoes. So let's look at our groups. How many groups do we have? 1, 2 groups. 2 groups of tomatoes. Okay, and then they gave us our division sentence. 6 divided by 3, because I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tomatoes total. I had 1, 2, 3 in each group, and that gave me 2 groups. Okay, so you're going to do a little more on your own in the second one. Divide 8 lollipops into groups of 2. So we're going to circle 2, 2, 2, 2. So how many groups did we make? We made a group of 2, that's one group. Another group of 2, that's 2 groups. Another group of 2, that's 3 groups. Another group of 2, that's 4 groups. Okay, so there are 4 groups. They started our division sentence for us. 8 divided by 2, because we started with 8. We put 2 in each group. How many groups did we end up with? 4. All right, so you go ahead and finish that problem set on your own. And if you feel like you have got this down, then that's good. Okay, you're going to also be drawing some number bonds. So remember what a number bond is. If you feel like you need a little more practice after you've finished the problem set, then you can do the exit ticket. The exit ticket is not required. It is optional, so you do not have to do it. But if you feel like you could use just a little more practice, then go ahead and do that exit ticket. Okay, we will be having a quiz on Wednesday. So be ready to take a quiz on the things that we're doing on Monday and Tuesday and the things that we did last week on Wednesday. All right, if you have any questions, come see me in my office hours from 1 to 2, or send me an email and we can arrange another time if that time doesn't work for you. All right, have fun with division. Can you believe you're doing division in only the 4th week of 3rd grade? It's pretty impressive. All right, have a great day. See you later. Bye.